To solve this question using option elimination, there are two conditions we need to observe. First one, sweets are distributed equally, and the second one is all the sweets are distributed. Let's try and understand what these two conditions actually mean with simpler numbers. Suppose there are 20 sweets and each child gets 5. Equal distribution is happening, which means the kids are 4 in number and we are left out with 0 sweets. If there are 90 sweets, each child gets 9. So there are 10 children. Again, we are left out with 0 sweets. But if there are 25 sweets, each child is getting 3. Equal distribution is happening. Kids are 8 in number, but we are left out with 1 sweet. Of all the 3 cases, in the last case, equal distribution is happening, but we are left out with 1 sweet after the distribution. This tells us that this number should be divisible by this number. That's when the remainder will be 0, which means we'll not be left out with any sweets after the distribution. Keeping this in mind, let's approach the question. Now, sweets are 405 in number. Each child gets how many we don't know, but we are sure that the remainder should be 0. Therefore, of all the choices, 405 is divisible only by 9. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. But what if you're given two options where 405 is divisible by both the choices? With the previous explanation, option C and D can be eliminated. The third condition, sweets received by each child should be 20% of the total number of children. Keeping this in mind, let's validate 9 and 5. 405 sweets. Let's say each child is getting 5. Then the children are 81 in number. Now let's check with the condition. Each child gets 5. Then 5 should be equal to 20% of total number of children, which are 81 in this case. But 5 is not equal to 20% of 81, which is 16.2. Not satisfying the condition in the question, therefore option B is the wrong answer. Let's check with option A as well. Each child gets 9 sweets, so 45 children are there. Now let's check the condition. Each child gets 9 should be equal to 20% of total number of children, which are 45 in this case. 9 is equal to 9 here, satisfying the condition in the question. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. And that's how you validate if there are two choices which can divide 405. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.